Hey guys, Kapper here. February 13th, 2020, and the Eagle has landed. Those of you that are my age or older probably know what that means. That was an old war movie way back when. The Eagle has landed. So the brand new T650 BOBCAT has arrived in Marion. We're gonna go take a look at it. So today's just a vlog. It's gonna be probably either tomorrow or Monday, actual delivery, but let's go take a look at that bad boy. All right, this must be the new cam. Nice. Man, them look pretty good, them side lights. Almost like they were meant to be there.
Yeah.
Really? Dang, that is bright. Nice. Just take a quick peek in here and then I'll let you guys get back to it. Oh, can you smell that? Oh man, the fresh cloth and plastic and steel. Brand new, baby. Oh yes. Heated seats is right. What do you say, man? That guy's trouble over there. He's trouble. The top secret crate. Nice.
That's all gonna be put together.
Man, I don't like spare parts laying around. As long as when you guys are done, there's like no nuts and bolts left in there, right?
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Right?
That's when you know you done a good job when you have stuff left over.
All right, Tim, I'm holding you accountable. Holding you accountable.
All right.
That's the Lexan?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Look at all these parts. Holy cows, man. That's what I don't like to see. When I buy something and it says some assembly required, I don't like that.
You open the door with other all together.
Better you guys than me, but yeah, that sucks if you got to put it together.